cheese,
the fruit banana cube. So, the fruit banana, in my opinion, it's a bit of a strange puzzle. It'd be pretty fun to solve. I might make a video about solving it sooner or later, but so far it's actually kind of it's a pretty nice puzzle. I mean it's good quality. I mean, like, for a banana, and it spins pretty well. And if you're wondering why I got the banana, it's to make the video more appealing. Okay, I'm sorry. Now I got the Diane Sheng FTO. I know the Diane FTO is a better. Need to bring out the cheese knife.
cheese,
And it's just the puzzle, some springs, and a pamphlet. Personally, I don't do FTO. There are a couple pros to this, such as it is quite small, so it might make finger tricks a little easier. I don't know what the finger tricks are, so just, yeah. It does sound pretty good out of the box, and it also feels okay. It is a little tight for my liking, but I don't do FTO, so I kind of just got this because it seemed cool. Now getting on to a puzzle that I actually do and kind of practice. 2x2. So this is my main at the moment, the GAN 2x2. And I'm pretty sure they're the same size, but it seems a little smaller to me, I don't know why. So yeah, I guess let's open this bad boy up. How do I open this bad boy up?
cheese,
No, just for reference, I'm not good at 2x2. I average like around 6 seconds. So that was my first actually decent solve. It's starting to break in a little. It definitely needs some lube. Yes, I only have like 2 lubes. Do not judge me. I know where you live. And if you're saying no I don't, well I do. You live in the Milky Way, planet Earth. So yeah, I know where you live. Okay, this cube is actually kind of good. Oh geez. Oh no. Oh cheese and schnappers. Okay, I guess it's time to scramble up this banana. I have no idea how to do this. That looks like a pretty scrambled banana to me. I don't know what you think, but that's pretty scrambled to me. Okay. I think the middle layer would be good to start with first. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, I see this. Let's get that. Oh gosh. Is that just like that? 20 seconds for the banana. This is still a pretty weird 2x2.